Alright, I'm really just doing some screen tests. I got some audio in the background. This is, I set up like a normal mode or function on the GoPro, a normal preset to make it kind of look a little less GoPro-y and more like a regular camera, like point shoot. So now I'm gonna switch it to GoPro action mode and see what that looks like. Alright, this is, I can control the GoPro from the phone, which is great. I really love the functionality in the app. I didn't change the position of the camera. I just literally tapped and changed it from narrow mode to action mode. You get a whole hell of a lot more, and I'm just curious how it's gonna look when I drop it into my video editing program. So there you go. Okay, same thing. I just changed the camera position because this is what Dylan advised would be a good shot. Especially, it's a horrible, cloudy, rainy day today, but the sun is breaking through, so I bet you the shot's gonna look really clean. Song, it's just playing off my iPhone in the background. Now I'm gonna try super zoom wide angle mode. Alright, holy shit, the looking at it on the app, it's great because I can get a preview. So I've just got my GoPro Hero 8 in the same position, which is position 2. The sun is kind of dim behind the clouds now. Music playing, bearings grinding. You can see a whole hell of a lot more of the garage, which makes me want to change the angle of this, but I'm going to look at these on the computer and see what looks the best. And for shits and giggles, oh yeah, there you go. This is a cinematic mode. I'm building a bike for my physical therapist and my homeboy Willie. He is one of the PTs at North Lake Physical Therapy in Northwest. When I crashed really bad at Rebecca's Private Idaho last summer and really messed up my hip, I spent a good 2 months every day in North Lake with Will doing work. So, homeboy wants a road bike. He wants to try racing, and I'm going to set up one of the team bikes from last season for him. And there you go. This is the cinematic clip preview. I want to kill this on GoPro app. See how it all looks.